Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to manage access to a document in the Google Docs app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Google Docs app. And here it opens up in Drive files. From here we just have to find a document, tap on it, then tap on the three dots in the top right corner, share and export, manage access, and here we can set the access to the document to whatever we would like to have, and yeah, we can also share it if you haven't shared it yet. And that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.